The journey of finding your artistic voice. Hello and welcome to my channel, where I discuss all things related to Impressionist photography. Everyone has the ability to create something truly special, and I want to help you to tap into that. In this video, we will take a deep dive into discovering your unique style and unlocking your true creative potential. I'll share my personal experiences to help guide you through this journey. So grab your notebook and a pencil, and let's get started on unlocking your artistic voice. When I began my love affair with Impressionist photography, I concentrated on different techniques. I believed I would produce a good image if I mastered a technique. I practiced the various ways I had read about in many different books, trying to create exciting effects. I purchased different lenses and used many additional accessories. Mastering the tricks and skills was simple and fun. But no matter how well I used them, I didn't produce truly satisfying personal statements. It took many photo shoots for me to realize that these tricks were simply techniques, and to become a better and more creative artist, I needed to explore and understand something more than just knowing how to use my camera. I have learned that creativity isn't about inventing unusual or eccentric ways to capture the image, but rather more about finding my ways of seeing and visualizing. I realized that I had to work towards developing my own voice with which I could express my ideas. After all, art is about expressing your vision and emotions and interpreting your subject excitingly and uniquely. As an artist, it's up to you to find a way to communicate that concept. As I continued my journey, I found that studying other photographers' work was necessary. Looking at the work of masters in the field helped me to understand the possibilities of the medium and to see the world in new ways. It allowed me to be exposed to new techniques and perspectives and helped me to refine my own artistic vision. I began to explore different ways to express myself through my photography. I discovered how to use composition to guide the viewer's eye and to tell a story through my images. I learned to use light, color, and texture to create mood and emotion in my pictures. Through this process, I learned that one of the most important aspects of photography is understanding the relationship between the subject and the artist. The photograph is a reflection of the photographer's point of view, and photographer must be able to communicate this point of view to the viewer through the images. I also learned that to create truly great images, it was necessary to see beyond the surface of things. I had to learn to look deeper and to understand the hidden meanings and emotions behind the subject. I needed to learn how to use my camera as a tool to create images that will connect with the viewers on an emotional level. This is what makes a photograph truly personal and powerful. We all have our unique way of seeing the world. Our photographic vision is simply how we translate that personal vision into images. The success of any image depends on you, your eye, and what you decide to bring to the table. Cameras can't develop ideas. They don't choose when to click the shutter, nor can they compose the image. You have the power to make your own decisions, and that's why your approach will always be unique, even if this has been done before. It is important to keep an open mind and be willing to take risks. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. As you explore and learn, you will begin to find your own personal style and develop your artistic voice. Before you take an image, ask yourself, what do I want to communicate in this landscape? And how can I best get it across to others so they can understand it? Embrace your photography as a joyous expedition. Discover new horizons and explore the many paths ahead of you, each one leading to a unique and beautiful destination. Welcome the adventure and let your creativity guide you on your journey of discovery. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your photography friends. Make sure to hit that subscribe button now and stay informed about all my future content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I see you in the next one.